Hello Team HM2010. Welcome to Week 4 assignment instructions. In order to access your Week 4 assignment, you will go to your Blackboard course room and under the main menu to the left-hand side of the screen, you will select your assignment tab. Once you open the assignments, you will go to Week 4 assignment and select the Click Here button. Once you click, your Week 4 assignment will open and you will do two things. You will download and save the Week 4 assignment worksheet, and then also you will download the Well Care of Kentucky Managed Care contract. Please note that the Well Care of Kentucky Managed Care contract will be used to answer all 5 questions in your Week 4 assignment. Let's look at the Week 4 assignment template and look at the questions that will be asked. In question 1, it will ask you, what is the function of the contract? Question 2, what are the terms of the contract? Question 3, why is it important to specify the terms of the contract? Question 4, who monitors and evaluates the contracts? And question 5, what is the process for monitoring and evaluating the contracts? Please keep in mind that the Well Care of Kentucky Managed Care contract is a very big contract. So I don't want you to read the whole contract unless you have time to skim over it. I would like to pinpoint specific areas from the table of contents that you will need to review in order to answer your questions. Question 1 states, what is the function of the contract? Where you would find that information is, you will see section 5 of the table of contents. And remember, a contractor is a person, and the contract is what is derived so that the contractor, who is the person, can fulfill the requirements of the contract. For instance, if the contractor is required to delegate authority, the contract stipulates that process in which the contractor must delegate such authority. So your answer should not simply include the bolded words, but a simple discussion on how the contractor is to follow these functions. So again, your answer to question number 1 will come from section 5 of the table of contents, in which you should review 5.1 through 5.4 in the contract to get your answer. Now, question 2 and question 3 are 2 questions that are pretty much in the same area. Question 2 says, what are the terms of the contract? And question 3 is, why is it important to specify the terms of the contract? In question 2 and question 3, you will actually review section 4, which is contractor terms. You will review 4.1 through 4.7. Now, in question 2, I would like you to just answer briefly and summarize each of the terms listed in 4.1 through 4.7. And then in question 3, this is where you would use your judgment and include a reasonable answer that explains why any terms of any contract should be spelled out. Think about your everyday life. If you purchase a car on credit, why is it important that these terms be spelled out? If I purchase a car on credit, having the terms spelled out allows me to know when the payments are due, what penalties I face if I don't make the payments on time, what happens if I default on the loan, and when my payments are over. This is just an example. Now you need to think about contracts in the context of a managed care contract and enter your detailed answer. All right, so let's go to question 4 and 5. Questions 4 and 5 says, who monitors and evaluates the contract? And what is the process for monitoring and evaluating contracts? So, in order to get the answer for questions 4 and 5, you will go to section 21. And in section 21, there is a subsection of 21.2 that talks about monitoring requirements. This concludes your step-by-step instructions for assignment week 4. Good luck!